Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple more photos using the RNI app from the App Store, Apple App Store. So let's get started. First, this was the Sony 35mm F1.4 Zeiss lens, and then I'm gonna choose some Instax just to see what kind of tone they have. So as you have seen the last time, we chose different ones, and this one, the one that I bought, is funny that they say terribly expired, just awful. It's kind of funny, like how they name the filter. So we can choose the one. Let me change back to the negative, and then the Fuji 160 NS is pretty strong, or we can do the superior. So this one has been my favorite. This two is pretty cool too. So this one, I like the tone in this. So let's use this one first, and then if you don't want to strain too much, you can reduce, but for now I'm gonna leave it 90 something. Just increase a little bit of the exposure, contrast, and then the sharpening a little bit. Highlight, just slightly reduce the highlight. You can see the effect when you're sliding the slider. And then if you want some grain, you can add some grain to it, but for now I'm just gonna, without the grain, just the tone of the frame, and increase the contrast a little bit. So that's a before and after. You can see that the green in the back has a different tone already. So when we do the 4:5 crop like this, we can crop it slightly higher so that around this area like this. Okay, so increase slightly a little bit more contrast. So that's a before and after. Save it to the camera roll. Okay, and then let me choose the next one. So this one is that use last edits, so I use the last edits. You can see that the frame style already there. If you want a stronger frame, you can do a 100, but I leave it at 98 for now. And then I'm gonna slightly rotate to the portrait, and then do 4:5 crop. So slightly position more toward the center. You see the before and after. You can see the frame tone in the back. So if you want to have some grain, let me save one that doesn't have grain first, and then if you want to have grain, you can try the scale, maybe 70, and then do some grain in this photo just for like, because you can see that it's extreme, it's a lot. Maybe just slightly a little bit just for the feel of it. So that's a before and after. Let me save this one also. Okay, so next one I did that this one I'm gonna use the same one, and then the first thing I'm gonna do, also do a rotate a little bit, just slightly, and then do a 4:5 crop right here. You can see once you set up the same location, the tone are similar because of the lightings are similar, so you don't have to do a lot. So once you set up the first tone in one location, that's pretty easy and fast, efficient to do. So let me save this one also, and then choose another one, this one, and then I use that tone. It's too bright. You can see the face area got blown out, so I'm gonna reduce much more. Sometimes that's the adjustment that we had to make. And then do the I'm going to do highlight, save a little bit more, so save a little bit more, and still reduce more. do a 4:5 crop right here. It's still not center yet, but let me make it more center here. Okay, so that's the save to the camera roll. Let me show you another film style. Let me try this one. This is V2. I'm just going through quickly, show you that the different style. So this one has a HC, is everything is more brown tone. If your feed has more brown tone, you can use this one, and this one is colder tone. So it depends on your feed. If your feed has more brown tone, you can just use that one. I think this one is 400 is pretty good too. You can see that ISO 400 probably have some grain already. So these are the correspondent ones. I think this one is pretty good. I like that yellow fill in here. I'm gonna reduce. You can see the before and after, maybe just around 80, and then slightly up a little bit. So that's a different tone, and we can apply it just to give a look at the next one. The other one that using the same tone, we can just give a try and then see how it goes. So let's use the same tone. It's too dark, this one, and then let's add some, and we can add some vignetting for the style also. We can just add some vignetting right here. And for the cropping, let me rotate a little bit slightly and then do a rotation 4:5 crop right here. Yep, so this is the more brown style editing. The first one that we used was different, but it's also in this negative range right here. There's some other Kodak style in the back right here. You can just try it out. There are some different ones in the back. I also bought it with $3.99 on the package. You can just buy it and then try it out, try different ones. So but so far I like the Fuji 400 or 200 Superior is pretty good. So that one and this one is pretty good. This one is warmer, and this one has more fade in it, so it depends on your feed, how much do you want to apply, so it's different. So yeah, that's it for today, and thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.